Hello friend, today I just show you how to convert PDF to Word. So simply we have to use this website, so we can directly go to a new tab and just write it I love PDF. Okay, I love, one second, I love PDF converters. So we have already dialects, so we can opening a website I love PDF converter. So first link you have just goes to ilovepdf.com. So this is a very good website to convert static to dynamic, static to non-static file. Means a PDF is basically a static file, so not to be editable, and we converted to a editable files, so we can use this website and easily to convert it. It is 100% free. So these types of features is not available in our MS Office and other office in our operating system. So basically it is a website to convert it. So we can see that we can goes to a desktop site. Yeah, we can see, we also see the Word to PDF. So this Word to PDF and Excel to PDF is also available in our MS Office, but PDF to Word and splitting the PDF SPG, then after PDF to JPG and HTML to PDF. So these types of converter is not available in my MS Office and normal any MS Office. And edit PDF, like means we can edit any text so easily to import the PDF file, and we can give the results. So these types of features is very helpful to technical persons and students, and those persons we can working in our uh, com- computer skills and data operating like work. So simply goes to a PDF to Word. It is impossible in our MS Office, so we can do through the online, and it is a free, not to be downloaded any applications and fill your memory. So I prefer you easily to goes to a websites, and it is a 100% free, so not to be affected in our mobile storage. So it's 100% storage free. So when we can goes to a downloads, and when we goes to average, it is average is a PDF file average questions, and we can directly goes to a converted to Word. So it take a time, it's a few second, and just result is give us. We can download it the file, and we just open it to MS Office. So yeah, we can see directly converted to PDF. So we not converted in PDF because I already PDF file in Word. So I do not want to convert it in PDF. I want to directly open to MS Office. And one thing is that the WPS is already available in our Play Store. So I prefer to use it because WPS is a very efficient app to share Excel file and any format file. So it's a very helpful in our operating system. Yeah, we can see this is a PDF converted in doc. So in this file we can editable, so edit option, and we can use the edit options, so we can really to change. Yeah, it's deleted on file and writing on us. So it's a very good full, so it is a very good full features. Thank you for watching. See you next time.